Good morning, students. 7th class science. Our next topic of chapter number 8 is wind currents are generated due to uneven heating on the earth. Means on the earth or at the all parts of the earth there is unequal heating is there, unequal temperature is there. Due to that wind currents are generated. First is unequal heating between equator and poles. First situation is that in the equator and in the poles there is unequal heating, that is also creating the wind currents. Equatorial regions receive more sunlight during the most part of the year. Means which regions are near the equator, that are getting direct sunlight. Means that is so that regions are getting maximum heat from the sun, so temperature is also high at that regions, and which air is present in the equator, that is also warm. And we know that in last topic we read that which warm air is there, that is light in weight, that air will rises up. Being lighter, that air will rises up and it is creating the low pressure region or low pressure area. As a result, which now empty area is there, warm air will rise up, and which cold air is there, that will take the place of the warm air. As a result, cold air from 0 degree to 30 degree latitude belt on either side of the equator moves inwards the equator. Which air is present in between 0 degree to 30 degree latitude, that will take the place of the equator, that will take the place of that air, which air is rises up. The air in the polar regions are colder region because that are not getting direct sunlight. So which air is present in the colder region, that air will be colder. Air is also colder than that of the latitude 30 degree to 60 degree. Means that air is colder than latitude 30 degree to 60 degree. Thus warm air from 30 degree to 60 degree belt moves up. Which air is present? Warm air, that will moves up, and cold air will move down from the polar regions. This movement of air, such movement of air from warmer region to the colder region or from colder region give rise the wind currents, that are called wind currents. The wind currents do not move in north-south direction or from north to south or from south to north, that wind currents are not moving. The rotation of the earth about its own axis causes the change in direction. Wind currents are not moving due to the change in rotation of the axis, because earth is rotating about its axis. Due to the rotation of the earth, we are thinking that wind is blowing. Second situation is unequal heating between land and water on the earth. First situation was unequal heating between equator and poles. Second situation is unequal heating of land and water on the earth. Unequal heating on land and water on the earth also causes the wind currents. During summer, particularly near the equator, land warm up faster than the water in the ocean. During the summer season, which land is there, that warm up as compared to the ocean, and air moves over the land, gets warm and rises up. Means which air is present on the land, that air is warm air will rise up because that is light in weight. To fill the space, wind flows, and which air is present on the ocean, that will move towards the land. Which air is present on the land, that air will warm and that air will rises up. And to fill that space, which air from the ocean, that will move towards the land. The wind coming from the ocean contains moisture, water vapors, and brings rain. Which air is coming, which wind is coming from the ocean, that air is moist air, that is contain moisture also, water vapors also, and that is bringing the rain. The monsoon wind carry water and bring the rain, and that wind is called monsoon wind. that winds which are coming from ocean to the land, that are called monsoon winds. During winter, the wind flows from land to the ocean because land is colder. During summer, wind is flowing from ocean to the land, and during winter, wind is flowing from land to the ocean. Thank you.